They're going to take a look at the club.
Testarossa, he's up from Philly. It looks like he's taking over the operation.
What about the guy who gave you the 45?
He's a suspended cop. His name's Mike Stote. Looks like he's working it, waiting to be reinstated.
I doubt that'll happen. The gun Stoke gave you is clean, but some of the people at the property clerk's office may not be. That's where the gun that killed the tourist came from. Chief wants you undercover for this.
What? How long?
The drill, you can't drink.
I can't do that.
No trace of drugs. It's your call.
Well, why can't he get someone from OCCB or IA? Why can't he get someone from Snoop?
I went through the whole alphabet with him. He says you're already inside. He wants you.
Yeah, he's helping me get myself killed.
Thought it occurred to me.
Probably this thing fell into my lap. You know, I'm thinking, this guy's Stoke could be working for the chief.
Not even a kind of detective. Look, you're within your rights to walk away.
You're going to keep me in purgatory forever.
Watch yourself out there.
Yes, Captain. Just get me back.
Progressive.com. How can I help you? Well, I haven't shopped for car insurance in a while. And you're worried that you've been paying too much, right? Yeah. So how can I know I'm getting a good deal? We can compare your Progressive Direct Rate with other top companies. Wow. Seriously? Yeah. Look at the deal we just got in. Classic pair of shoes. Or a big tricked out name tag. Making sure you get a great deal. Now that's Progressive. Call or click today.
What's this? New Smoky Chipotle?
Yeah. Hey, I think I put up a notch. Great. Bring it on to 8.